Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 812 Superfast versus the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. We'll dive into their distinct engine philosophies, performance metrics, and overall driving experiences. You'll discover how these two automotive titans approach speed and precision differently, helping you understand which might better suit your driving desires. Let's explore the unique characteristics that set them apart. When it comes to raw power, the Ferrari 812 Superfast truly shines with its 789 horsepower V12, launching to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS, while less powerful at 518 horsepower, offers an incredibly engaging driving experience, hitting 60 in 2.7 seconds. Both cars are engineered for blistering speed, but the Ferrari holds an edge in outright acceleration and top speed, reaching 211 miles per hour versus the Porsche's 198 miles per hour. Beyond the numbers, the driving experience diverges significantly. The Ferrari 812 Superfast offers a more luxurious Grand Touring feel, blending immense power with refined comfort for high-speed journeys. In contrast, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a pure track weapon, delivering an incredibly precise and communicative driving experience. Its design is overtly aerodynamic, featuring a large rear wing, while the Ferrari maintains a more elegant, flowing aesthetic, showcasing different approaches to performance. Considering the price, the Ferrari 812 Superfast commands a higher premium, often starting around $335,000, reflecting its V12 engine and luxury appointments. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS, while still a significant investment, is more accessible at approximately $241,000, offering incredible track value. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate power and grand touring comfort or a raw, track-focused machine. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.